Thandiwe Newton has broken her silence after she was replaced by Salma Hayek in the film Magic Mike 3, Magic Mike's Last Dance with Channing Tatum. The Eternals actress, 55, will replace Thandiwe after she was dropped from the project following a row with leading man and producer Channing, 41. 4. Thandiwe Newton, R, broke her silence on Salma Hayek, L, replacing her on Magic Mike 3 credit, Capitol Pictures. But there are no hard feelings between the two stars, with Thandiwe throwing her full support behind the Mexican actress. Taking to her Instagram story, Thandiwe heaped praise on the star as shared the poster for Salma's current film, Beatriz at Dinner. She gushed about Salma's skills in the movie and how much she admired her. "For me, no finer performance, no finer film about the real questions we need to be asking," Thandiwe captioned the post. "I love you at Salma Hayek." Warner Brothers were left with no choice but to halt filming on Magic Mike 3 in London, costing thousands as they frantically searched for a replacement star. In total 11 days were lost, with some freelance crew members claiming they are now £4,000 down as a result of the incident. Director Steven Soderbergh, who headed up the first film, is returning the project while Magic Mike XXL director Gregory Jacobs is on board as a producer. The Sun revealed how Thandiwe and Channing stunned fellow cast members and production staff with their blazing row. In a statement, a spokesperson for Warner Brothers Pictures said, "Thandiwe Newton has made the difficult decision to step away from the production of Warner Brothers Pictures' Magic Mike's Last Dance to deal with family matters." Her exit from the popular film franchise comes amid her separation from husband Ole Parker, 52, with whom she has 3 kids. "We revealed Thandiwe had split from Ole and was believed to be struggling and seeking counseling. Thandiwe wed Ole, best known for directing 2018's Mamma Mia! Here We Go Again, in 1998. They share daughters Ripley, 21, and Nico, 17, and son Booker Jam, 8. The couple have not been seen together in public since a holiday to Ibiza in mid-2020. The actress revealed over the weekend she was in hospital following her split with her husband and subsequent pleas for her to enter rehab. Thandiwe took to her Instagram to reveal a mishap with some glass as she sat in the emergency room. She revealed how her luck had taken another bad turn as she wrote, "In ER cause I got some stupid bit of glass in my foot." Thandiwe then added, "Ouch though." The star seems to have moved on from her marriage when she was spotted snogging musician Loner, 25. She was pictured looking smitten as she smooched with the young musician in pictures. Her embrace with Loner seemingly confirmed the end of her 23-year marriage to Mamma Mia director Ole. It was the first time Thandiwe had been seen out since news of the split. 4. Thandiwe was dumped from the film after a row with star Channing Tatum. Credit, Warner Brothers. 4. The star recently split from her husband Ole Parker. Credit, Getty. 4. The actress seems to have moved on with musician Lonar. Credit, Rex. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 0207 782 4220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.